Hey guys, today I'm going to take you thrift shopping with me at an open air market for bras and sports bras. So they were being sold for 20 shillings each. The first one I tried on is this Lululemon sports bra. The back band is too big, but you all know I know how to shorten the back band of a sports bra. So I didn't actually take it home with me because I didn't like the print, but it was a cute bra. This is what it looks like, flat. It's a crisscross back style. It's very beautiful. Okay, so the next bra I tried on was this blue one. I don't know the brand. The logo had worn out, but it had separate cups, foam cups. This is the back band area. It's a racer back, and the back band is big also, and it has the hook and eye closure in the back. So I could have taken it home and made the cup smaller and the back band smaller, but the elastic was blue. It would be hard for me to match the elastic. Otherwise, it would have been a great bra to do a thrift flip of. Next, I found this hot pink sports bra. This is a low impact sports bra. The back is a racer back and the straps are super skinny. If I took it home with me, I would replace the straps with something wider, but the cups are too big for me to be like a 34G, and I'm like a 34B if we're using 34. I also saw this beautiful bra, and the previous owner had shortened the straps by sewing them like that. That was a genius idea. I didn't take it home with me because I already have a stash of bras to repair, but this for high hook and eye and the wide shoulder straps would have been a great addition to my collection to replace on another bra. I also found this snake print bikini bottoms and I was so excited about it. I already have something that's leopard print. I have some Aztec print, so I'm going to have a snake print now. I also found some strapless bras. This is a bandeau style bra, and there was one that had actual foam cups. I lost the footage. I only have screenshots of the footage. I hope you enjoyed this authentic experience of shopping at an open air market for secondhand bras. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave you with the soundtrack of the market so you feel like you were there with me.